Hey everybody, Avery here. It is like, I don't know what day it is. It's like January the 6th or 7th or something in the evening between 5 and 6 o'clock. I am outside playing with the grill a little bit. I'm going to grill me a couple steaks. Now I'm going to go in there and talking to my inherited chicken I inherited. Hey, Mr. Chicken, that is Rooster Cogburn. He kind of lives with us now. He retires early. He gets up early. He goes to bed early. So how was your day, Rooster? No comment. That bad? Don't be mouthing off at me. I see it. He's like, shut up, I'm trying to sleep. Steak will be done just a little bit, I do believe. Take another look. Don't want to dry them out. I know one's way bigger than the other. That's why I had to cook two of them, because this little one, there might be leftovers off of one of these. Now I got chicken and I got a dog. Now, up to a day or two ago, the dog was scared of the chicken. The dog was whining like a little baby. But now, the dog seems to be okay with the chicken. Is that right, dog? Yeah, I guess he is. She is. Huh. Who spun it? I didn't spin it. I'll be talking to my rooster and screaming at the dog while I'm waiting on my steaks to grill. Somebody still got their Christmas lights on way over there. I don't know if y'all could see that through there. They got Christmas. What do you think about people leaving their Christmas lights way up into January, Mr. Rooster? Rooster's like, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I'm just a rooster. And I'm just a dog. We don't do nothing all day. We need a hog. Didn't say all my songs was good, yo. Always gonna have a chicken dog stare down. Just stare down. Guess the dog has come to accept that the chicken lives here now. Might as well, we got a cat and a dog. Might as well have a chicken. Let's see what this stuff is looking like. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it, man. That one's so small you can't even hold on to it. I don't know why I'm holding this like it's a flashlight, pointing my camera as if it were a flashlight. You don't think that's this thing. Is that right, chicken? Chicken say, hey, that right. That is right. Sure enough, Budro. I can't get him to focus. My crazy camera be focusing all over the crazy places. A whole lot of steak going on, y'all. Supposed to be writing up some work stuff. I had to take a break from it. Got a busy day tomorrow. You got to go with me tomorrow, chicken? We're gonna be all over Atlanta tomorrow. Bad neighborhoods, good neighborhoods, fancy neighborhoods, all over the place. Well, that looks like just about all of this video we're gonna have time for, y'all. Thanks for watching. please like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. We're trying to get more fun going on around here. Get my chicken to jump through flaming hoops or something. How about that? Thanks for watching.